Hey pumpkins, I'm back with another video. Today I have my model here, my bestie. Say hi, bestie.
Hello.
Her name is Bossy, and she is here to tell you a little bit about herself as well while I get started on her nails.
Hello, beautiful souls. As she stated, my name is Bossy. I currently have an IG, Bossy Creativeness. I customize personalized items. Please follow me.
Where do you want them to follow you at?
Bossy Creativeness. Let me spell it for you. BOZZYCRE, the number 8, TIVENEZZ. Bossy Creativeness.
And you can follow her on IG. So today we're going to do some cheetah print and some bling. And you can also follow her on Facebook. So let's get started. I already put the white dots. She wanted them bigger, her cheetah print bigger. So I already put the white polish on this one. And then we're going to take the daughter and we're going to drag the daughter to give her some bomb cheetah print. So what else do you like to do, Bossy?
I like to, again, as I stated, personalize, customize items. I do wine glasses, blinged out shoes. I make tutus. And even if you need me to design a nail, I can do that too.
Yes, she does. Actually, she used to work with me doing nails. So she definitely can help you with all of that. We have my sister here. Say hi, sister.
Hi, sister.
She's joining us today as well. Well, she's going to step out probably, but there we go. Isn't this so pretty? All right. And we're going to put that one under the dryer. And we're going to do this one. And here we go. It's really simple. Just drag your daughter. Very simple. Very easy.
So excited to see you doing this again. This is my first thing I learned how to do.
What?
Cheetah. You know, that's my
Yes.
favorite.
This is the cheetah queen. She loves her cheetah print. I told her she was going to get tired of it one day, but she hasn't yet. She still rocks her cheetah almost every single day. And we'll be back once this one dries and we're going to place the bling on. Okay, so we're back. Her leopard print is dry. She actually loves leopard print. So correction, her favorite is leopard print. The spots are different. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and start to put her bling on. I use acrylic to place the bling on. It makes it stay. Now you want to place the acrylic on top of nail polish. Don't just place it on top of just the nails. You want to put nail polish on the bottom of it because it makes it easier to take off. So we're going to secure it down on the sides here. Let's secure the bag. Mm-hmm. Sorry, my hand was in the way. So she chose Chanel. We have a diamond. We have some lips. actually, I'm going to put the... Okay, so we're back. Now we have Chanel and the bag, the money sign. Now we're going to cover the rest of the nail with bling, some rhinestones.
Getting those coins.
Yes, get them coins, boo. Turn up.
Every day.
That's why you chose your money bag?
That's why I chose. I'm securing the bag on my nails.
Yes, indeedy.
Look at that.
It's so beautiful.
Will somebody come in? Look at that.
What do you think your coworker's going to say tomorrow, boo?
They're going to be like, I don't expect anything different. I would say, that's my best friend.
Yes. It's beautiful. Look at that. All right, we're going to cure this and we'll be back. Okay, so we're back and we're going to do the next finger of bling. I'm going to place that Chanel piece up at the top. And it's literally embedded in... It's literally embedded in acrylic. And then after that, we're going to put some more on. And we're going to put our
Diamonds forever
and ever on it.
A woman's best friend.
Absolutely. And then we're going to let that acrylic set and dry. And I'll be back to put some bling on this one too. Okay, so we're back. The acrylic has dried. Now we're going to use the IBD top coat. IBD builder gel to place the rest of the rhinestones around the bling.
You mind repeating the gel name again just in case they didn't catch the correction?
Oh, no problem. It's IBD builder gel. And you can use this actually instead of acrylic to build up sculptured nails. Thank you.
My pleasure.
So we're just going to place them on. It's real simple and easy to do. Just picking them up.
You mind explaining to them the tool that you're using, why it's so easy for you to pick it up?
So the tool that I'm using, the tip of it is made of wax. And the wax allows it to pick up the rhinestones with ease. And then I'm embedding them in the gel. So I'm really pushing that rhinestone down in the gel so that they will stick inside. So we have no issues or no problems with them coming off. We're going to add a little bit on the side here. Bling is done. Now we're going to let that cure and dry, and we'll be back. Okay, so I am back, and she's already cured, and the rhinestones are blingy with her Chanel and her $sign. So now, after that, we're going to go ahead and put some red, hot lips on her thumb, and that's going to be her centerpiece. That's going to stand out. Kiss. It's going to be hot. So, do you have anything coming up that you're getting fancy for?
Well, thanks for asking. My husband and I just purchased our first home. Hashtag winning.
Yeah.
And so we're finally having our housewarming, fuzzy socks, and finger food.
Yummy.
And I found a pair of fuzzy socks that matches my cheetah nail.
Ooh, I can't wait.
I'm excited.
So we went ahead and we secured that lip with acrylic. And it is in there. And remember, like I said, you want to put polish underneath your 3D pieces when you're using acrylic so that it'll be easy to take off. So now we're going to go ahead and put a matte top coat on this. We're going to cure it. We're going to dry it. And we're going to come back with the final result of her nails. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, we're back, and here is the final look of her nails. She has Cheetah 3D, and look at that, and those lips, gorgeous. You love it?
I love it.
So extra pretty. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. There'll be more videos to come. Smooches. Mwah.